very good morning, students. Myself, Eklasha from New Delhi Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today, we are going to discuss the subject probability and statistics. In this subject, F-test for ratio of variances. Here, let x1, x2 up to xn and y1, y2 up to yn be the values of two independent random samples of sizes n1 and n2, where n1 is less than or equal to 30 and n2 is also less than or equal to 30, where x bar and y bar are the sample means and mu is the population mean, sigma standard deviation. For this kind of test, we apply the formula capital F is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. The condition is S1 square must greater than S2 square. And if S2 square is greater than S1 square, at that time our formula is F equal to S2 square upon S1 square. Okay. Where S1 square is the summation x minus x bar the whole square upon n1 minus 1, and S2 square is summation y minus y bar upon n2 minus 1. So let's start the example for the better understanding. In two independent samples of sizes 8 and 10, the sum of the square of the deviation of the sample values from the respective mean were 84.4 and 102.6. Test whether the difference of the variances of the population is significant or not. Use a 0.05 level of significance. So here, as per the given data, n1 is equal to n1 is 8 and n2 is 10. Sigma x minus x bar the whole square, that is 84.4, and sigma y minus y bar the whole square is 102.6. S1 square sigma x minus x bar the whole square upon n1 minus 1, here 84.4 upon n1 is 8. So 8 minus 1, which is 7. After simplification, we'll get 12.057. S2 square, that is sigma y minus y bar the whole square upon n2 minus 1, and here 102.6 upon 10 minus 1. So that is 11.4. So let's start the example with the null hypothesis, and that is H naught. Null hypothesis is sigma 1 square equal to sigma 2 square. It means the variances of the two populations are equal, right? The variances of two population are equal. As the variances are equal, alternative hypothesis HA, and that is sigma 1 square greater than sigma 2 square. Level of significance is 0.05. Fourth one is test statistic. And that is F. Here, you all know S1 square is greater than S2 square. That's why S1 square is in the numerator and S2 square is in the denominator. And that is 12.057 upon 11.4. So we'll get 1.057. Next, fifth, critical value. We'll use the F table for the critical value. And here V1, that is N1 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. And V2, N2 minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, so 9. As here S1 square is in the numerator, so F, first we apply V1, then V2. If S2 square is in the numerator, then we apply F, V2, V1. Okay, so here F 0.05, my V1 is 7 and V2 is 9. So from the F table, value is 3.29. Last decision. Decision is test statistic value F is less than F alpha. Therefore, the null hypothesis is accepted. And as the null hypothesis is accepted, it means the variances of two populations are equal, right? So the variances to population are equal. Let's move for the another example, students, and that is in a test given to two group of students drawn from two normal population. The marks obtained were as follows. Group 1, 18, 20, 36, 50, 49, 36, 34, 49, and 41. Another group 29, 28, 26, 35, 30, 44, and 46. It means in first group, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 students, right? So in one group, there is 9 students, and another group, there is 7 students. So your N1 is 9 and N2 is 7. X bar is the average of the first group, and that is 37. And Y bar, that is the average of the second group, and that is 34. Here, S1, you know the formula, sigma xi minus x bar the whole square upon N1 minus 1. We already discussed in this slide, right? Sigma x minus x bar the whole square upon N1 minus 1. So with the help of this formula, we calculate S1, and that is 11.225. S2, that is sigma yi minus y bar the whole square upon N2 minus 1, and here 7.426. So S1 square, this one is small s1, and capital S1 square is N1 s small s1 square upon N1 minus 1, and here 141.75, and S2 square, that is N2 S2 square upon N2 minus 1, and that is 64.3. So we'll start with the null hypothesis, as we have all data is ready. Number 1, null hypothesis. H naught, that is sigma 1 square equal to sigma 2 square. It means two population have same variances, right? Number 2, alternative hypothesis. HA, and here sigma 1 square not equal to sigma 2 square. Number 3, level of significance. Alpha 0.05. Fourth one, that is a statistic. F, here S1 square upon S2 square. So 141.75 upon 64.33, and my answer is 2.203. So fifth one, critical value, and critical value is V1, that is N1 minus 1, and here is 9 minus 1, so 8, and V2, that is N2 minus 1, 7 minus 1 is 6. So T alpha V1, V2, and here is T 0.05. V1 is 8 and 6, V2 is 6. So value from the F table, that is 4.18. So sixth decision, value of F is less than F alpha. It means the null hypothesis is accepted. Students, thank you very much. Any query, feel free to contact me. Thank you.